Hello, grade 1. Our science lesson today is about plants and animals live together. Why do animals and plants live together? Plants help animals live in their habitats. Animals, they use plants for shelter and food. Like skunks, they use a tree trunk as shelter. Field mouse, they eat berries from a plant. Animals help plants live in their habitats too. Bees help plants make new plants. This happens when bees carry pollen from flower to flower, as you can see in the picture. Now, what is pollen? Pollen is powder inside a flower that helps make seeds. Pollen can stick to bees' legs. This spider uses plants to hold up its web. What is a food chain? All living things need food. Food gives them energy to survive. A food chain shows the order in which living things get food in their habitat. Now the sun gives plant energy. Insect eats plant. Then the frog eats insect. Then the owl eats the frog. This is a food chain. Sun is at the beginning of most food chains. Without the sun, plants could not grow. There would be no food for animals. Plants are the next link in most food chains. People are at the top or end of many food chains. Now, this is an example of a food chain that human or people are at the top or end of food chain. What happens to living things when a habitat changes? People, animals, plants, and weather can all harm the living things in a habitat. They can cause the habitat to change, like cutting down trees or making water dirty can change habitats. Lightning can strike a forest and start a fire. Then the fire can harm plants and animals and destroy their habitats. When habitats change, animals and plants might not get what they need to live. Some animals move to another habitat, others might die. When all of one kind of plant or animal dies, it is called extinct. Now, these are examples of extinct animals, like the woolly mammoth and the dinosaur. These animals are extinct. They are not here anymore. Thank you, grade 1.